Hey guys, Famished Boar here. So, this is just a random vlogish video-ness. Look, that's my bathroom. That's my bathroom. That's my bathroom. Oh yeah, and, so a friend of mine wanted to suggest this video. I'm taking off my mic because these people are very annoying. I'm playing GTA at the moment with them. Yeah. So, this is a random video. Like I said, you guys can hear that noise. It's a friggin' Pop-Tart. Today, we are going to review the Pop-Tart. Okay? We are going to review it. We are going to review whatever type this is, okay? I think it's cinnamon and sugar. Oh, yeah. That's my bae right there. Okay. I'm gonna try it. You like that noise? Oh yeah, I do too. Alright, this is unboxing, guys. Oh my gosh, what's inside? Oh my gosh, I was not expecting that. These look amazing. Which one should I have first? The brown sugar and cinnamon and brown sugar one first, or the cinnamon and brown sugar one first? Alright. Ready? Ready, guys? Get the mic out of the way. Let me try it for the first time. I'm kidding. This is like the 30th. Yes, I can hear you. This tastes really good. Right after this video, I'm going to clean up my damn room and I'm going to do a gaming fucking setup. Sorry about that curse word. I'm going to bleep that out. This is really good. You can see. Focus. 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 Oh my god. Alright, whatever. It's not focusing, so it looks amazing and it tastes amazing. I got another one if you guys want to keep on watching me eat it. Yeah. Just watch me finish. I'm torturing you guys who are hungry right now. Oh, it's about to focus. No, it's not gonna focus. It fell. Should I make people suffer and eat the second one, or should I just end the video now? Alright. You guys already saw my reaction to eating that. This channel literally is going to turn into the Pop-Tart eating channel. Okay? Alright, and I will see you guys later. Hopefully you guys like this random ass video. If you didn't like it, just dislike it. If you liked it, like it. If you enjoyed all my videos so far, subscribe. Don't listen to this guy. He's telling you guys to dislike it. Don't do it. Alright. Peace out, homies.